Cars ready. Marshals ready.
TTO2. Second and the
Drivers,
third.
we start at the toe.
Leading is Jomil, but he crashed. So right now, seems Porsche TTO1 will do the first lap. TTO1 leads the first lap of A1 against the TAO7s and TAO8R and TBO5s. As long as the car keeps running well, but it's nice because this is our real first race with the GT using a TTO1 Tamiya spec, and it can only get better as we tune the car better. It's fast, TTO1. Second is also fast, Jomil TAO7. He'll probably catch up to us mid-race. We have a problem, middle of the race, we lose pace. We don't know yet what to do with it, but you know, we'll try hard. She'll do her best. At least yesterday we were not competitive, but today we kinda got a pretty good, pretty decent setup, and yeah, she's now able to drive to her fullest. Hectic, right? This is the GT class. Surprisingly, the TT1 is looking good. That's why I picked the car for this Tamiya race. People say it's a toy. Why am I running a toy? Well, entry-level car sucks, but nah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, she lost the lead through that, but part of racing. So that was Jake causing a lot. No, I think, huh? Well, Porsche's still in the lead after all that, surprisingly. I think Jomil had some issues. We'll take it. Aggressive yan, si Porsche. Matapang mag-aggress yan. Oh! Hindi, malakas pumiga yan. One minute to go. Whew, this is hard. Watching is hard. 1 minute to go.
Anak na matandang yan.
TTO1 yan, ha?
Joel.
Come on, Porsche, you can do it. Asia champ. Come on, Asia champ. Show the Asia champ driving. Oh. Bilis, di ba? Maganda TT1 talaga pag maganda yung setup. Kita mo, ang bilis, oh. Kasi pag shaft siya, tapos magaang.
Ayan na naman!
Lamang naman si Porsche kay Jomil eh. Lamang siya ng 1 lap eh. Oo. 1 or 2 laps lamang yun. Tayo, nanalo TTO1.
Ano, lamig ng kamay mo ah.
Talaga. TTO1 wins A1. Monster. Yeah. All right. Ooh, 7 seconds ahead. Yeah, Porsche. Bumagal yung truck.
Umagal ako sa middle.
Ha?
Umagal ako sa
Pero better than before, hindi. Nag-improve, hindi. Ha? Ah, kahit pa paano, nanalo kahit pa paano.